trail goes all the way around there and then up that slope, and then the lake's over on the other side of that little cliff. We're going. The last little climb is right. Can't even find it. Just keep going.
I'm afraid.
I got you.
This is the only ice, dude.
Go left.
Well, I'm gonna go left. There's just nowhere to. Pretty insane without spikes. I don't know, man.
Put your foot up here where the snowbank is and kick it down.
It's not gonna happen without spikes right here. Extremely difficult. That's why I look at the meter when I have my son. Isn't that pretty close?
Mm-hmm. See?
Oh yeah.
Look how unfocused I am and you're not. You're right there.
That's crazy.